Yeah, hey, niggas gon' tweet with me, I ain't feel my 30 yet. Hey, it's just me, my bad little bitch, and Perkins.
Beach vibes today, very first vlog. We finna get it bussin'. Gonna have all the little shorty slides through. Have a little nice little day at the beach. See how it's bussin'. You feel me? A little butter. Gonna have all the guys slide through. It's gonna be a good day. I'll check with y'all later.
He gonna come soon. Don't worry about it, little man.
Little man, watch him out. But we trying to wait till everybody get back here. We're finna do tea with all the bitches. What are you talking about? Oh. Shout out Kai Vlogs and Reacts, man.
Where's that shit? Jazz got a long sleeve.
Gang.
That we just stinking on this bitch ass nigga spot iron fire. Are you recording with my shirt on?
It's the vlog, man. It was up to the vlog, bro.
What's up with Kai's vlog? We're swimming right now, but he don't want to swim right now.
It's fat ass and bears. You think we gonna show up his mom? Enjoying the beach.
P! Pierce!
Hey,
We going swimming! Are we going?
You know, we tea at that right, P.
Hey, bro, watch that shit.
Look, bitch. Say what's up to the vlog, nigga.
No, bitch.
Merch, you're not gonna support.
See, I hate niggas like this, bro. How about this? Grab the bitch, grab the bitch.
We at the lake with it. Smooth little day out here. All the thoughts out here. They looking good.
You feel me?
150s. I see big ass titties. All that.
Shaky, wakey, bakey.
Yeah, we tea. Beautiful day. I see beautiful ladies, black ladies. You feel me? We don't do the white female.
Okay.
Now
my fault.
Okay, you feel me?
Now you're finna
White bitch got a little kick, you know?
Not be racist.
That's what you call zebra cakes, you feel me?
What's up, man? It's Dan Danger, man. Welcome to Kai Vlogs and Reacts, man.
My shit gonna be better than his.
Hold on.
Jenny gonna go?
Yeah, it's my phone ringing. Hello?
What's up? We're at Lake Calhoun.
Yep.
Tanning and shit.
Right.
We on the upcoming YouTube channel.
Right.
And if you try to talk to Tyshawn Lounge, I'll beat your ass.
Welcome to the vlog. We back with the vlog, bro. Chill, bro.
Stop! Okay, what?
My little brother and his girlfriend. That's going in the vlog. What are you talking about?
Hey, if you let her get the glasses back, blood, you don't have to ride home.
Hey, blood. Say what's up to the vlog, blood. Bro, damn. You on the vlog, bro.
Hey, vlog. The favorite fucking sister is here. You feel me? Gang shit, no lame shit. Are you putting cuss words in it?
I said,
Are you putting cuss words in it?
Yes. Thank you for watching the very first vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's very short. It's gonna be better content once summer get going. And like, share, subscribe, all of that. Comment, support upcoming YouTuber trying to do something. Thank you if you watched the video. We are out. We back with another vlog, day 2. We finna go to the field, work out for a little bit. You know, get some routes and shit like that. You know, with my little brother.
I'm not your little brother.
There's my little brother. Finna get some work in. I'll get back to y'all when we at the field.
Y'all haven't. I have.
We are at the field. You know, we vlogging and shit. We gotta get tea. White boy Dvorak. Yeah, we finna get a couple routes and do some shit. We finna get a bus and have more people slide through. I'll get back to you.
Hey, you know, it's McCabe Dvorak here, class of 2021. We coming different this year.
What about you, Lil?
You know what it is. You know, I'm Daryl, you know what I'm saying? Class of 2022. The best DB out here, you know what I'm saying? I'm locked up all day.
Stop saying that
All
shit.
day. I'm the best DB out here.
Stop saying that.
Every day, all day. I do this shit. Every day. This shit like,
Bro, I just called you. That's 2 points.
Give me the last point.
It's the Juice Show, says Kai.
What's good? It's Kai, you know, the best kicker in the nation. You feel me? So.
Not Zeke, the only white boy with a taper.
You know, Christian Big USA. You know, you see the shorts.
This nigga. Alright, we finna put in some work. Type shit. It's gonna be a good day.
S was on my team.
That shit was ass. I mean, I seen that. You seen the cook, the wind took it. It was a cook though. Show me something, Zeke.
No, I haven't been on it. Hey, but you can't lie. Later that night, ask Ezra.
Horrible.
Turn me up.
I can edit it, nigga.
Turn me up. Michael Boxing Harm. You know what I mean? Add me at Boxing Harm. Follow me at Michael_Boxing123.
Hold on, you must be for me. Hold up.
What happened, Zeke?
Bro, you didn't. It's son.
Damn, where we going out here? Oh, what?
Sorry.
Hey, don't do that no more. You see how he thought that was funny?
I don't know.
I mean, it's okay though, cause like, I'm still the best DB, but you know, it happens to the best of us.
Type shit. Jordan, say what's up. Deontay, say what's up to the vlog. Oh my god.
I don't like how you record it.
You already know. Hell no. I bet. Take over. Kai vlogs and reaction. I'm up next.
Show me something, Kai. You got 20. You got 20. What up? Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, yeah. Get your phone, nigga. You on the two, boy. On the intro. Let's go. Let's go, Willie.
Say what's up to the vlog, Josh.
What vlog? YouTube?
This nigga
No,
dumb.
nigga.
Yeah, Coach Ball in the building. Fuck that. Coach Smooth in the building.
Where your shoes at, nigga? Yo, watch out. Watch out.
Good vlogs. Been out for 2 hours, you know. We're still out here. You know we up. We finna go play good defense. Is we out there? What's happening, McCabe?
Hey, man, dude, these dudes weak as fuck. Think they so nice.
Oh, these bitches huff as hell. Great day at the field. We are done. 3 hours, some slight. Put in that work. Our team was. Our team was, man, I don't even know.
I mean, defense was not even that bad.
It was good. Off the lead, bitch ass.
Alright, watch your fucking mouth. Yes. Our defense was good, but our offense was good.
Come back tomorrow?
Boy.
You come back tomorrow?
Hey, what's up?
Get your
How y'all been? Hey, I'm gonna leave, but
You gonna put this in there?
Yeah, hey, niggas gon' tweet with me, I ain't feel my 30 yet. Hey, it's just me, my bad little bitch, and Percocet.